Good morning. Mga Tunmig Island this morning. Nag-ulan siya. Nag-ulan. Tapos siya, oy, gitugnaw. Gitugnaw ang bata. Good morning, young girl. Dito sa kusina. Basin, magluto talab.
Okay.
Let's go cook.
I'm cutting bananas.
You want egg? You want egg? Or you want fruit? You have fruit. Okay, you cook there?
Yeah.
Pretend man day ko. And then, mo niyang ganahan nga place ni Lauren mag-eat of pancake and bacon. Pretend daw lab eh. Pretend daw lab na ikaw mag-drive lab.
Drive? Oh.
Go pretend daw.
I'm the quiet driver. Hello. Everyone has to wear one of these jackets.
Really?
Rawr.
Comfortable that you don't want to get up?
Yeah.
Really? How comfortable are you?
Breaking the meter.
Breaking the meter?
Yeah.
Like, you want to stay there for the rest of the day?
Yeah.
Oh. Thought we're going to the beach.
Okay. Can you get my phone?
What? Where's the magic word?
Please?
Can you say it in a straight
Please?
sentence?
Rania, can you get my phone, please?
Okay. Hold your hat!
I am the club Coca-Cola. I am the simple kind. I saw a flying fish.
Oh yeah?
Like it was blue.
Oh.
It was blue actually. Everyone, they learn their chance to fly. From me.
We're here!
Oh, perfect.
Wow, sana all.
Dali na kay mag-inom. Dali na kay mag-inom kita yan ha.
Where's my tiger?
Who gave you that?
The tiger.
Wow! Happy face. Mao pa'y gida sa beach. Mao pa'y nakapool sa bubble bath. Mao pa'y nakadawat og money. Sana all. Did you say thank you to the tiger na?
Yeah.
Oh. Let me see the new 100 daw. Wow, it has... Wow,
Plastic.
nice. No. Not in the mouth, my love.
I'm eating it.
That's
It's my
dirty.
dinner.
No. Okay, nagpink-pink lagi ka, love.
Mink, mink.
Ay,